Good morning everybody and welcome dito. We are live at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng napaka-init na matchup between the ATENEO de NAGA Golden Knights and the Annunciation College of Bucal, SORSOGON Panthers. Yesterday naglaro ang ating Panthers. Both teams actually naglaro ang ating teams, and ATENEO got a win from the USI Falcons, and unfortunately yung Panthers ngayon will be having their redemption game. Ang ating standings between both teams, 2-1 ang ating Panthers and 3-0 as of now ang ating Golden Knights. Siyempre, we are live at GNN TV 48 NAGA, Digital Channel 48.2, DCTV Channel 10, GNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page, GNN Sports TV Facebook page, and Bucal Facebook page. I will be your commentator for this game. I am David Joshua Bernales, and mamaya makakasama din natin ang isa pa sa ating mga commentators na si Sir Russell Senora. And to give us an update ngayon is our courtside reporter na si Kendra, na may kasama ngayon sa side ng ating Golden Knights. Hi Kaz, kumusta ka at sino ang iyong kasama?
Witnessed how the ATENEO Golden Knights dominated the court against the USI Falcons. They ended the game with a bang. This time we will capture sight of the advancements as well as the game plan that they will be exhibiting against the Panthers. Right now I am with the team captain of Golden Knights, Jason Wood. Jason, what ATENEO?
For this season, I think yung best asset namin is yung depth. So, ever since nasa Ateneo ako, wala kaming ganitong lineup na kahit sinong ipapasok, kayang i-contribute. That's the beautiful thing about this team is kahit sino pwedeng maglaro dyan, kahit sino pwedeng mag-contribute.
Thank you very much, Jason. That's the recent update from the Golden Knights. Stay updated by tuning in to the official broadcaster of Bucal Season 4, GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Let us pause for a moment and offer a prayer to our departed sister, Irish. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
So, sa mga lahat ng hindi nakakaalam kanina, we had a short tribute ang ating Ateneo de NAGA University sa very recently there was a tragic event of one of their members sa community nila, si Irish Payonga. And this yesterday started yung tribute para sa kanya. Ngayong day din is another ino-offer ng ating Golden Knights ang kanilang game para kay Irish. May her soul rest in peace. And so para sa ating mga kaibigan, both teams nga yesterday had their games, and one thing na I would say na significant doon sa game ng ating Annunciation versus yung Mariners is they had the lead nung start nung early game nila, yung first, second, and third quarter, but yung ating Mariners did their best para makapag-bounce back and giving them the win, unlike the game of Ateneo and USI. Napaka-efficient ng ating Ateneo. Pero bago yan, kasama natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the Panthers bench na si Janelle. Hi Janelle, kumusta ka and sino ang iyong kasama? And then partner, medyo may technical difficulties na na-experience si Janelle. Babalikan natin siya. And as we start our game ngayon.
Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Kami po ang mga kasama nyo sa hapong ito. Simula na, Burns, ating labanan. And to give us an update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, we call in our courtside reporter. Hello Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan? Alright, number 15 of the Panthers trying for a play, crossing over, pass to number 19, corner 3-pointer, good for 2 by number 19. Number 55, the Golden Knights, pass to number 3, pass to number 19, crosses over, but intercepted by number 16 of the Panthers. Pass to number 15. That pass, Panthers a miscommunication on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. That's gonna be a turnover. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. Number 28. Pass to number 3.
Players na kailangan natin abangan dito sa ating ball game na ito. Siyempre partner, yung sa Ateneo, siyempre si Jerome Alvario, isang sa mga napakagaling players ng ating Golden Knights. And then siyempre sa ating Panthers, Mark Lester.
Yes, indeed.
Ang minute time and rin ng ating Bucal.
Sigurado mag-uulan ng tres. And then speaking of tres, that's a 3-pointer from number 19, Jerome. All ang ating score. Number 16, short jumper, no good. Bounded by number 55. Number 55.
And ang partner, isa din si Mon Aureliano sa mga players na need natin abangan sa roster ng ating Ateneo Golden.
Napaganda yung laro na pinakita niyan kahapon. Number 19, Jerome Almario fires once again for a 3-pointer. Back-to-back 3 by Jerome Almario.
Yes, one partner. Talagang napaka-early pa ito din partner. Nararamdaman natin ang intensity ng parehong kunan.
Napagagandang drive noon, but unfortunately did not convert it with a score. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. Sino kaya dito, Burns, ang mananaig? Sigurado ako napakainit ito dahil ang ating Panthers coming. Pero ang Golden Knights ay pinapahalagaan at iniingatan nila ang kanilang winning streak.
Yes, partner. Wala pa rin talo ang ating Golden Knights.
3-0 ang Golden Knights and 2-1 sa ating Panthers. Number 19. Number 16 calling for a screen. Cross over, very good on a play, but no good. Wanted by number 2 for the second chance opportunity, and it's good with a short jumper. Number 2 of the Panthers. Number 19. Bounce pass to number 2. Back to number 19. Step back, cross is over. Napagandang lusod noon. Kaya nakasabit ang ating number 19 na nakakuha ng foul.
Yes, partner. And if I'm not mistaken, partner, no, yesterday, may ang ating Panthers na si number 38 Arespon. Pero seems to me ngayon is okay na siya. Okay na yung kanyang left shoulder.
Ibig sabihin hindi masyadong naging severe ang kanyang injury. Thank God. Kasi walang masyadong injury na natamo ni number 16.
Yan. And shout out kay Angelo Cañada, ang kilabot ng Rapu-Rapu. And syempre kay Don Cristian Colarina, yung aking mga kaibigan dyan sa UST Legazpi. Shout out sa inyo mga kaibigan.
Maraming salamat sa pagdudok. No good for the second throw. Rebounded by the Panthers. Napakagandang crossover move nyon from number 15. Fadeaway jumper, no good. Rebounded by number 55. Aureliano. Love pass to number 28. Number 28. Bounce pass to number 2. Number 2. Pero may nakitang violation ng ating referee. That's gonna be a traveling violation on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan, partner, no, pinasok na yung isa sa mga players na naka-score dito sa game natin na si Mark Lester Matos.
Ayan na.
Basta isarado ni Magno, pero nakita ko lang ating referee.
Mukhang pinakadaan ng Golden Knights si Matos. Hindi pa nakakapunta ng front court, inaabangan na. Alam nila ang range ni Matos.
Kahit sa may logo, partner, tumitira ng threshold si Mark Lester.
That's gonna be advantage. Number 55 was fouled. Number 19 will inbound the ball.
Ateneo Golden Cavalry.
Napakaganda lusot doon. What a jolly layout. Binali ba ni Matos?
Sa talaga partner sa mga kabang-kabang na players.
Yan yung literal na small but terrible.
Yes, naman. Aureliano with that spin move, no good.
Rebounded by number 28. Jerome Mario once again for a 3-pointer, no good. Secure the rebound by Matos. Napagandang communication yon.
Very beautiful passing kay Alvine and Ricardo from the Panthers. Napakaganda ng two-pointer na yun.
Number 3. Goal is over. Spin move. May nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a reaching foul. Tatawag sa atin. Number 2. Possession of the Golden Knights. We only have 5 minutes and 17 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Annunciation versus Golden Knights. 9-7. Lamang po ng dalawa ang ating Panthers. May tatawag ang ating referee.
Yes, partner, medyo nagkakainitan pa lang ngayong first quarter ang ating number 3 si Fulgar and Salvacion, number 2.
Less than 5 minutes pa lang. Pero nagkakainitan na ang ating mga players.
Okay, jersey number 2 ANNUNCIATION and jersey number 3 ATENEO technical for Tractoring.
Ayan.
For
Parehong may technical partner, si number 3 and number 2 ng Golden Knights and Panthers. Moraliano, tumira ng Francis Di Oso. Ngayon,
Passing pass, number 19, Ogon.
Di pumasok yung kanyang layup, pero may foul na nakita nga rin. Going to him sa ating charity stripe.
Step on the line for a free throw.
Obregon ngayon with his first shot. It's been no good.
Ito ata yung last day ng ating elimination round. Tama ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
partner.
Next week, pasok na tayo mga kaibigan.
Hindi, may next game pa nito,
May
partner.
next game pa pala.
UNC
and ACC.
Yes.
Number 55, Adriano. Heavily guarded by number 10. Pero, matawagan. Number 55, offensive foul.
May offensive foul doon si Aureliano, pero after that, tumagka si Matos kay Mono, giving him a technical foul because of his first contact lead.
Bibigyan ng free throw si Aureliano. First free throw is good for Aureliano.
Plus
Pape.
1 ang ating score sa ating Ateneo Tinaga.
Magpapahinga muna sandali si Aureliano. He will be substituted by number 12 of the Golden Knights.
Hello. So nag-foul partner kaya Jerome Almario, no? 2 shots para kay Matos ngayon.
And parehas na nasa penalty situation
Yes,
ng ating
partner.
dalawang kupunan.
4 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. 4 minutes 47 seconds na titira. Penalty situation na ang parehong kupunan ito.
No good for Matos.
And if I'm not mistaken, partner, no, ang ating matchup ngayon is between two of the best teams sa kanilang bracket. Ang ating Ateneo is, I think, they're standing at number 1 and number 2 naman ang ating Panthers.
Yes, tama ka doon, partner.
Napakaganda ang matchup na ito.
Number 19 drives, what a fake. Pero nandun si number 19. Get that steal. Number 10, napakabilis. That's Matos. Number 10. Number 19. From Mario. Oh, it's over. Spin move. Medyo napalakas. Natira ni Mario. Pass to number 10. Matos for 3. Oh, good. Napigan ng bola. Bola ng ating Golden Knights. And we have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 4 minutes and 16 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 12 against 8 ang ating score sa hapong ito. Nandito po kami sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
are back live Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium kung saan Game 2 ng ating Sunday game, Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Annunciation Panthers. And coming out of the timeout partner, tumawag ng timeout si Coach Lucky Sabio ng ating Golden Knights. Pero to give us an update kung ano pa ang mga changes sa timeout na yun, Chanel from the side of the Panthers. Chanel, ano ba ang ipapamahagi mo dyan sa side nyo?
Ayun, number 29, Pado. Kicks out to number 10. Good for 3. Patos for 3.
Ayan nga, sabi ko sa iyo partner, mahirap pabayaan si Matos dyan because he is a 3-point sniper sa bracket nila ngayon at sa team niya. Sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan talaga ni coach ng ating partner. Matos na magbigay ng team ngayon.
Napaka-unpredicted nito, Patos. He can make his own shot. And also, he can drives.
Yes. Yun nga yung diniscuss namin na kahapon ni Coach Jeric, yung laro na pinag-commentating namin ni Coach Jeric, yung laro nila, yung versus ng Mariners is, sabi ko kay Coach is, si Matos is not like your traditional na point guard na kagaya ni Westbrook na he's a slasher. Si Matos is like Stephen Curry nga, kumbaga. Creator, floor general. Hindi lang siya marunong mag-make ng offensive strikes. Marunong din siya mag-make assist sa kanyang mga team.
Abang-abang talaga, partner. Maraming salamat. Pero, aside naman ng ating Golden Knights, nakita natin yung hustle na pinakita ni Jerome Almario kanina. Coming from nakuha niya pa yung rebound. Rebounded by number 75. Ito rin, kabang-abang dito si Jerome. Kuha ng bola. Intercepted by number 19. Uses the glass and it's good for a 2-pointer. Number 19 of the Panthers. Number 12.
Itong puntos partner ang lamang ng ating Panthers ngayon.
No good for the second chance opportunity. Ito na ngayon ang Panthers. Number 10. What a pass! Yeah! A reverse layup!
Very beautiful connection from Matos and Obregon to give you that reverse 2-pointer just a while ago.
There we go.
Siyam na ang lamang nila, partner.
Isang highlight play din! What a spin move! What an assist! From Global Wario.
Maganda yung pinakita nila dito sa kabilang court. Maganda rin yung pinakita ni Almario doon sa kabilang side ng court.
Kung ito ay isang pelikula, parehas ng blockbuster.
Yes naman, partner.
We only have 1 minute and 54 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 19-12. Pronunciation leading this quarter.
First quarter pa lang pero mainit na ang ating labanan. Napakaganda na ng pinapakita ng parehong pupunan dito.
Sumasabay sa init.
Yes.
Atensyon rin ng ating live audience dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. number 19. Intercepted by number 75. Pass to number 26.
Okay, this is partner, yun yung best player of the game last match na kahapon.
Yes, kahapon siya ang ating best player of the game.
Sa pagkakaalam ko partner, kaya naging best player of the game si number 26 kasi 100% siya sa lahat ng kanyang field goals. May it be from the 2-pointer or the 3-pointer, 100% siya sa lahat.
Napaka-efficient.
Grabe, napaka-efficient.
No good, second chance opportunity. At tatawagan ng foul. It's gonna be another technical. Kanino itatawag?
Technical kay Matos.
That's gonna be a technical to number 10.
And I think, well, we can decide partner para titingnan natin kung ano ang decision ng ating mga officials.
Okay, nasa officials pa rin ang final
I think
decision.
they will review it in our replay center.
Okay. Shoutout sa'yo, Jandro Belmonte, Burns, Mendez, and Chesco Mall. Salamat sa panunood. And to give us an update all the way from the bench of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass. Anong update dyan?
Russell and Joshua, for the first quarter, the Panthers is already giving a tricky fight against the Golden Knights. Lamang pa rin ang Panthers, ngunit patuloy pa rin humahabol ang Golden Knights. So let's continue cheering for the Golden Knights habang sinusubukan nilang makahabol. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Russell and Joshua.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa update from the side of the Golden Knights. Ngayon, nag-uusap pa ang ating officials. To our online viewers, please don't forget to share and like our Facebook Live dito sa Bucal Season 4. Maraming salamat. Nanonood ang aking mama. Ma, happy viewing sa'yo. Thank you for watching.
And partner, medyo nagpasan na natin. Dito sa ating call section, ang ating CCDI Wildcats in support para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Go! Annunciation Panthers, win the game from your Sorsogon brothers in the hardcourt CCDI Wildcats. Ayan sila ngayon, partner. Nanonood sila sa ating mga bleachers, ang ating CCDI Wildcats. Nakakagaling pa rin lang sa panalo.
Oo nga. Saka naman, pares pala to galing Sorsogon.
Yes,
Kaya grabe ang suporta na pinapakita ng kanilang kapatid from CCDI Wildcats.
And I think rini-review pa rin, partner, ng ating mga officials yung play na nangyari tungkol kaya Cluster Matos. Medyo nagkakainitan kasi talaga, partner, no? Nagsimula pa lang ang ating quarter. Almost 1 minute na lang ang natitira sa first quarter. Pero mainit talaga ang labanan na pinapakita ng dalawang teams kasi pareho silang nasa top. Pareho silang may pinapatunayan sa laro na ito. And ayan na, ating ang verdict.
At ayun, meron ng decision ng ating official na tatawagan ng double technical si jersey number 10 from the Annunciation Panthers.
I think, partner, if a player gets a double technical, I think that will be his exclusion from the game, if I'm not mistaken. Tama
Yes,
ba?
tama yung partner. It's equivalent of 5 fouls na rin.
Mark Cluster Matos is excluded from this ball game ngayon. Because of his first technical kanina, yung bumangga siya kay Aureliano.
Yeah.
yung recently na nangyari nga. That was his second technical foul.
Natin ang pero may pag-uusap pa rin na nagaganap. Shoutout sa iyo John Josper Briones Flores. Salamat po sa pagsuporta at panunood. Once again, we are live at DNN TV 48 NAGA, Digital Channel 48.2. Live din tayo sa cable via DCTV Channel 10 and DNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page and DNN Sports TV Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. Kahit ang ating supporters dito, of course, nadadala rin sa tensyon at init ng labang ito. Habang naghihintay tayo ng ano pa talaga kasi nag-uusap-usap pa ang ating officials, we will be having a short break. Wag po kayong alis, dito pa rin po sa Bucal Season 4 live here at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on DNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Back again dito live at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium, kung saan mainit ang bakbakan ng ATENEO Golden Knights and ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And parang final na in decision, number 10 of the Panthers was already ejected from this game.
Two technical fouls, partner, results in an exclusion of the game. Napaka-unfortunate nga ng pangyayari, kaya Mr. Matos, isa sa mga players na inaabangan natin, partner, na magbibigay ng magandang laro for today. Pero the show must go on. Back to the ball game.
Doon pa rin, habang the show must go on. Number 7 of the Panthers, step back 3-pointer, and it's good for that 3-pointer. Number 7 of the Annunciation Panthers. Number 12, calling for a screen. Gives out to number 7. Inside pass to number 13. No good. But rebounded by number 75 for the second chance opportunity. What unfortunate lead. The referee called for a traveling violation. Number 7. calling for a play. Finding his teammate. Pass to number 19. Number 19, kick out to number 7. Corner 3. Back-to-back 3.
Napakaganda ang pinapakita ni Decano on the side ng ating Panthers. 2 straight 3-pointers. May sagot pa ang ating Ateneo. Layup niya hindi. Sumablay sa number 36.
Model by number 8. Pass to number 7. But that's gonna be the end of the first period. 25-13. Lamang ang ating Annunciation Panthers. We are live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for the second quarter.
We are back again live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University for your Bucal Season 4 second quarter ngayon ng ating ball game between the Panthers and the Golden Knights.
At Birds lamang ang ating Panthers. Number 3, pass na number 26, 3-pointer, no good. Gawa ng bola sa ere, but number 2 secured with the ball. Number 2, court jumper, no good. Rebounded by number 16. May whistle ang ating referee. At meron itatawag referee. Merong technical na itatawag sa head coach ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Number 16, Almine. Will step on the line to make the bonus free throw. First throw is good. Plus ball possession, Panthers pa rin ang bola. Shoutout sa'yo, Aika Peña and kay Gigi rin. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Good afternoon.
Yan, shoutout din and a happy birthday kay Engineer Dane Almoneda, courtesy of Emil Chavez.
Number 7, front court. Number 7, long three-pointer. Pero short. Rebound by number 19, Jerome Almario. What a crossover. Spin move. What a pass. No good. Pero doon sa number 3. But number 16 secure the basket and get the rebound. Number 7, napakabilis. Kicks out to number 19. Corner three-pointer. No good. Number 3 rebounded the ball. Pass to number 55. Pass fake pass to number 19. Jerome Almario. No good. Number 16, Albine. Kicks out to number 2. Three-pointer. Wala. Number 8, secured the rebound. Number 19 drives. Kicks out to number 2. Tawagan na shooting foul ang ating Golden Knights. Number 3, pushing foul.
Yes. Shout out partner kay Raymart Carmen Lanuza. Happy birthday. And shout out din kay Cloyd Marcos Sandagon Olin.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok. Second throw is good. Substitution. Number 3 will leave the court. And to give us an update from the side of the Golden Knights, let's hear our courtside reporter. Hello, Cass! Kamusta? Anong update sa Golden Knights?
The head coach of the Golden Knights, Coach Nuki, reminded his players to stay calm and do not be pressured by the score and the time. The players must compose themselves as they enter the hard court and take every step carefully and critically, knowing that the remaining time still lengthy. The players must put their mind on the game. Yan muna ang latest. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Cass, sa update all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. Ngayon, I would agree doon sa advice ng coaching staff sa mga players to stay calm and compose themselves. Na ganito ang uri ng laro natin, napakainit at grabe yung tensyon. Kailangan talagang maging kalmado lang sa laro. Number 55 of the Golden Knights. Bounce pass to number 2. But that's gonna be a traveling violation. Turnover from the side of the Golden Knights. Ball possession. At yun nga, nakita na natin ang full court press na pinapakita ng Golden Knights. Tatawagan si number 55. Ang foul. Meron ng third personal foul sa number 55. Upo muna. At papalitan ni number 28. Number 7. Bounce pass pero intercepted. Nagawa ng ball sa baba. Oh good. Rebounded by number 26. Number 26. Heavily guarded by number 13. Napakabilis. Papuntang front court. Pass number 2. Short jumper and it's scored for that short jumper. And we have a timeout called by the Annunciation Panthers with 7 minutes and 30 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 28 against 18. And the Panthers leading by 10 sa ating second quarter. We are live here at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium. And you're still watching at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
And we are back live dito sa Ateneo de Naga University for your Bucal Season 4. Game 2 pa rin ng ating Sunday matchup between the Ateneo Golden Knights and your Annunciation Panthers. Sa kasalukuyan, partner, 10 puntos ang lamang ng ating Panthers against the Golden Knights.
Pero mahaba pa ang oras. We still have 7 minutes and 29 seconds sa ating second quarter. Tatawagan ang foul sa number 19, the Golden Knights.
Happy birthday kay Engineer Dean Almorena Benicio Emil Chavez.
Happy birthday po. Number 7, 3-pointer. Pangatlo na yan. By number 7. That's gonna be his.
And before that, partner, reporters from the side of our Panthers bench, si Janelle is ready to give us an update coming out of the timeout. Janelle, and ano ang iyong update?
We're back here at the bench of the Panthers, and Santos was given a double technical foul and given that he cannot play inside the fourth play. But during the huddle, Coach Ron said na pinapainit lang ng Golden Knights ang pasensya ng Panthers at huwag nila itong papatulan. Dagdag pa nito na hindi ito ang rason para matalo ulit ngayon ng Panthers. One of the coaches also said that they need to play as a team at pahalagahan ang kada ball possession. Nagkamali tayo kahapon, babawi tayo ngayon. Ika nga ng mga Panthers. Yun lamang ang update dito at balik sa inyo.
Yes, maraming salamat, Janelle, for your report from the side ng ating Panthers. So, ayun nga, partner, no? Kailangan nilang mag-work as a team. Be a system. Teamwork makes the dream work. Ika nga, sabi ng mga tao.
Sabi yun. Kanina nga sinabi ko, the Panthers natalo kahapon. Kaya siguradong uhaw na uhaw ito.
Yes.
Panalo ngayong hapon.
Napaka-evident naman niya ngayon, partner, no? 12 ang lamang ng ating Panthers against the Golden Knights.
Number 19, intercepted by number 7. Number 7, spin move, but nandun si number 28 to get that steal. Mario. That's gonna be the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers.
And shout out kay Zagawa, the best of NAGA, na parating Kalaraya, watching sa ating Bucal Facebook page.
Shoutout din sa iyo, Via Balbastre, Bertie, Bermejo, and Pang Magnifico. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Number 19, Jerome Almario. Steal by number 7. Number 7, with Recho, uses the glass, and it's good to that layup drive.
Lumolobo na, partner, ang kalamangan ng ating Panthers against the Golden Knights ngayon. 37-21, 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Nandito na sa ating second quarter.
Number 26, long 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 16. Pass to number 7. Number 19, 4-3. And it's good for a 3-pointer. Umuulan ng tres on the side of the Panthers, and we have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 5 minutes and 24 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 40-21 lamang ang ating Annunciation Panthers. We are still live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
we are back again dito sa ating ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium for your Sunday matchup between the Panthers and the Golden Knights. Sa kasalukuyan partner, dalawang ang ating Panthers, 40 against 21, 19-point lead sa second quarter.
At ito na yung biggest lead ng ating Panthers.
Yes.
Number 18. Pass number 26. Number 26 kicks out to number 19 for a three-pointer. And Jerome Almario is good for that three-pointer. Number 7. Nice drop by the Golden Knights. Number 20 in derecho. And it's good for that layup drive. At napatawag ng timeout ang side ng Anasi. 4 minutes and 53 seconds left sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Annunciation Panthers 40-26. Ayun, shoutout kay Digo Jerome. Kaya yan, Ateneo. And sa aking kapatid, shoutout sa'yo, Francis Carl Senyora. Nasa inka mo.
And ayan partner, no? Medyo napupuno na ulit ang ating bleachers dito sa ating ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium.
Hindi lang to Golden Knights supporters, marami rin ang ating supporters from the Annunciation
I think partner
Panthers.
on our left side ng ating bleachers, yung nasa side ni Coach Parco is mga supporters ng ating Panthers, and syempre dito naman sa right side yung may banda and yung sa ATENEO.
Grabe ang suporta nila. Nagbiyahe pa sila mula Sorsogon.
Drive Sorsogon to NAGA. Pumunta sila para suportahan ang kanilang team.
Shoutout din sa iyo, CJ Magdaraog. Happy birthday. One steal by number 19. Jerome Almario del derecho. Natawagan ng foul si number 7. And Almario will step on the line to make his bonus free throw.
Napakaganda ng pinapakita na naman ngayon na game ni Jerome Almario.
Kanina pa to si Jerome Almario.
First quarter niya, pumukol ka agad ng 2 tres. Na ngayon, magpapakita na naman from the defensive end and on the offensive end. Napaka-efficient ni Jerome Almario. Yan, second shot is gonna be
All possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Shoutout sa'yo, Kyle Limatera. And kay Justin Rihano, my good friend. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. Number 19 for 3. Oh, that 3-pointer. Napakaganda ng outside shooting ng ating Annunciation Panthers ngayong hapon.
yes, partner, now to give us an update of that timeout.
The Panthers are dominating the game at mukhang umiinit ang labanan ng Panthers kontra Golden Knights. During the huddle, Coach Ron reminded the boys to grab every chance and don't waste it. At sabi pa nga nito na don't mind the crowd and the drums, just focus. Yun lamang ang update dito.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle from the side of our Panthers. And siyempre partner, napaka-evident naman talaga. Dominating ngayon ang ating Panthers against the Golden Knights. Pero slowly but surely, umahabol ang ating Golden Knights.
Talagang sinusulit ng ating Panthers every ball possession na meron sila dito sa ating game time. Pero may nakita kanina traveling violation ng ating referee. That's a turnover from the side of the Golden Knights. Ball possession of the Panthers. There's substitution. Number 13 will be for a moment. And number 17 will enter the hard court.
Shoutout kay Mark Lawrence ng Malasay. Mag-update siya sa'yo pagkatapos ng laro.
out of bounds. Possession of the Golden Knights.
Remaining time sa ating second period, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Lamang ang ating Panthers, 43-27.
Ball possession will remain. Oh, that's gonna be a foul. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
Nino ay Alvin Medina. Sinasabit kay Nana Sereneo by Nino Abayon.
Number 28. Pick ang bola. Sa kanila pa rin. Ball possession pa rin ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Shoutout sa iyo, Julie at Tutubo. Maraming salamat. And to give us an update from side of the Golden Knights, let's call in our courtside reporter. Lucas, anong update dyan?
Joshua and Russell, kanina nga pinoint out ni Coach Nuki na wala ang puso at utak ng mga players sa laro. He also reminded the players to follow and execute the game plan he ordered. Yan muna latest. Back to you, Joshua and Russell.
Stick to the game plan.
Yes.
Ang advice ni Coach Nuki sa side ng ating Golden Knights.
Always stick to the game plan, partner. Para masunod kung ano yung gusto ni Coach.
Ball possession of the Panthers. Shoutout sa iyo, JM Bucal. Number 15. Tatawagan ng foul si Jerome Almario. Pushing foul. That's gonna be his third personal foul.
Fouls, partner, in just the second. Only 2 fouls left and he's excluded from the game. Meron pa tayong 2 quarter na natitira sa second half. Kailangan mag-ingat ngayon ni Jerome Almario.
Grabe ang ating fouls dito. Kanina, under 5 minutes, nasa penalty situation na ang both teams during the first quarter. Ngayon, 2 minutes, under 3 minutes, penalty situation na rin ang ating dalawang kupunan.
Jerome Almario ngayon. So number 18, Mato, may 2 bola.
Kicks out to number 14 for 3 and it's good for a 3-pointer. What an eye vision ang pinakita number 28 sa atin. Nice pass. Number 15 kicks out to number 16. Rebounded by number 7 but is intercepted by number 19. Number 19 causing it's over. Drives no good for the second chance opportunity is good for number 17. Jerome Almario. Spin move. Duro step at binali pa ni Jerome Almario. What a highlight play. Pati sa inyo ni Jerome Almario. Number 16, pass to the inside man. Napakagandang pasa noon kay number 2. Pero nakuha ng foul. Number 17 of the Golden Knights. Number 19 of the Golden Knights will leave the court and number 26 of the Golden Knights will enter the court. Papasok rin si number 14 ng Annunciation Panthers. You only have 1 minute and 35 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 45-32. Lamang pa rin po ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Good for this second throw. Substitution. Number 75 of the Golden Knights will enter the court and number 7 will rest for a while. Nakaman-to-man defense ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Number 14. Ona, kicks out to number 75. Fakes. Nabitawan yung bola. Number 2. Jet that steal. Number 15. Manlapas. may nakita ang ating referee. Number 14, pushing foul. Only have 1 minute and 6 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 46 to 32. Annunciation is leading by 14. Second shot is jumpers ready for the second throw. And that's good for his second. Number 26. Pass to number 20. Number 20 drives. Pass to number... At may nakita ang ating referee. Number 18 will step on the line. Blocking foul from number 17 of the Annunciation Panthers.
Shoutout kay Clark Calieja by Edward J. Garcia and shoutout din kay Lani Manterola.
First shot is good.
Shoutout din kay J.R. Napase by Nino Abayon.
Jumpers ready. No good. Wanted by number 17.
45 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Anong quarter ng ating Panthers?
Number 2, finding his image. Pass to the inside man. Drives. No good. Rebounded by number 16. Number 15. Kicks out to number 16 for a corner 3-pointer. No good. Nakita ang ating referee. Loose ball foul. Tawag kay number 15. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
And happy birthday kay Raymark Carmen Lanusa ng CCDI Wildcats. Happy birthday po sa inyo and congratulations sa panalo nyo kanina.
Ayun, napakagandang treat nun. Para sa birthday celebrant. Second throw is good. Number 14. Number 15. Finding his teammates. Kicks out to number 14. Number 14. Tatawagan ng offensive foul. Number 15. Illegal screening. May kita rin natin yan sa ating replay. Ayun nga. Kitang-kita.
Gusto ko yung katawan niya ng konti. Nakita yun ng referee.
Kitang-kita ang movement na yun.
8 seconds remaining sa ating game.
Three-pointer. No good. Pero sa number 14. Ika-count ba? Ika-count ba? Hintayin natin.
Referees will check our monitor.
He will check
Re-review nila
the replay.
kung counted niya ba yung shot if Monay put that basket before the shot start.
Lamang ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Hi everyone, I am Cassandra A. Seton, taking up secondary education specializing in English at ATENEO de NAGA University, and I am one of the courtside reporters this Bucal Season 4. Some of my hobbies are first playing volleyball. I just do it during my free time. I'm also a reading advocate. I love reading. And I am also into hostings and likewise, of course, public speaking. It's such an honor for me to be part of Bucal Season 4, knowing that this is my very first time being a courtside reporter. It would be a good opportunity for me to grow and also to be more knowledgeable and involved when it comes to sports. Expect me to be more dedicated in sharing the stories of each player as well as sharing what is happening in the team during their game.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV 48 NAGA, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing. Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNN TV 48 NAGA.
Hi, I'm Maria Janelle B. Jumano from Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside reporter in this Bucal Season 4. Isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko is to focus on my academics and involve ako sa mga organizations sa loob ng school namin. Also, I'm a volunteer on several organizations outside my school and sa lugar namin. And since pinaglalaanan ko ng oras ang academics ko ngayon, isa sa reason dahil 2 years from now, I'll be graduating from my course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Mariners NAGA. As your courtside reporter, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang update about sa team, hindi lang kung saan ako nanggaling na school, kundi sa iba't ibang colleges na involved ngayong Bucal Season 4.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gubag. Ang isang gubag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sungunyan yaw kita digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow, sungunyan hihilingon ta po ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infles. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
We are back again dito sa Ateneo de Naga University for your Bucal Season 4 and partner, kakatapos pa lang ng ating first half. Meron tayong halftime analysis. Ano ba ang ating analysis?
Pero bago ko yung ibigay, partner, hindi counted yung last shot ni jersey number 14 ng Golden Knights. And to give you the halftime analysis sa nakaraang first half ng ating laban, hindi nagkakalayo ang 2-point field goal and 3-point field goal ng ating dalawang kupunan, pero mas lamang ang ating Annunciation Panthers with 39.13% sa kanilang 2-point field goal and sa 3-point field goals during 7 out of 13. Kumuna sila ng 53.85% while the Golden Knights wala 45% sa 3-point field goal. Siguro dahil nalamangan ng Panthers ang Golden Knights dahil sa kanilang turnovers. Nagkaroon ng 17 turnovers ang ating Golden Knights while the Annunciation Panthers meron lamang silang 11 turnovers and mas lamang sila ang ating Panthers sa second chance points during the first half.
Ayan. Maraming salamat partner sa ating halftime analysis and let us see kung ano ba ang magiging changes ng ating kukunan dito sa pagpasok ng ating second half.
Natanda ko kahapon, ganito rin yung naging sitwasyon ng Golden Knights. Lamang ang USI Falcons pero during the third quarter, bumaliktad ang laban kahapon. Tignan natin kung mangyayari din yan ngayong hapong nito.
Yeah, partner. Kailangan lang nilang mag-focus, mag-abol, and stick to coach's plan.
Number 55, Aureliano, is good for that layup drive. Ito na, a full court man-to-man defense na ang pinapakita ng Golden Knights. Number 16, number 15. Number 15, short jumper, no good. Pero still managed for the second chance opportunity. Rebounded by our Panthers. Where that's gonna be a stepping on the line. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. Number 55. Crossing the court. Pass number 28. Number 28. Number 2 for 3-pointer. In and out. Oh good. Rebounded by number 16. And partner, may update ng ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. Cassandra, anong update dyan?
Joshua and Russell, the Panthers still leading the game against the Golden Knights. And during the huddle, Coach Nuki pointed out that the players must have presence of mind and establish their composure properly. They have to be intelligent and should learn from what they performed on the first half. Coach Nuki also mentioned that they have to do their part according to their roles because the coaches are doing their best to order the game plan. Yan muna later.
Thank you very much guys sa update from the side of the Golden Knights. Ayun, napaganda yung sinabi ng head coach ng Golden Knights. Presence of mind and maintain composure of the players.
Yes, partner, ang mga tama nga rin sinabi talaga. Focus, calm, and collected ang ating mga atinista ng ating Golden Knights because napaka-intense and mainit talaga na itong laban. And kung ikaw mawalan ka ng cool mo sa laro, mawala yung patience mo, then mararatel talaga ang pag-iisip ng isang player.
Sabi nga, kanina rin, sabi rin ating courtside reporter, focus on, the composure and dapat maging intelligent ang ating mga players.
Yes, partner.
Natawagan, offensive foul, number 19. And to give us an update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, John, anong update during the halftime? Babalikan natin ng sandali si Janelle. No good for the 2-pointer. Ball possession of the Panthers. 6 minutes and 26 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 47 to 36.
Hello.
Drives. No good. Rebounded by number 2. Pass to number 26. Number 26. finding his teammate. Well, called for a screen. Number 55, Aureliano, pass to number 2. At ayun, okay na ang ating kasamahan all the way from the bench of the ANNUNCIATION Panthers. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update during the halftime hunt?
Patuloy ang mainit na labanan dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. During the halftime huddle, Coach Ron said na palaging silang nabibigyan ng pagkakataon kaya dapat huwag nila itong sasayangin. Kailangan pa ng Panthers na magkaroon ng malakas na depensa at huwag hahayaan na mabasa at malamangan pa ng Golden Knights. Yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much Janelle. At yun, papaigtingin pa ng ating ANNUNCIATION Panthers ang kanilang depensa burns para hindi sila mahabol ng Golden Knights. Number 2, no good. Rebounded by number 26. Pass to number 55. Number 55, pass to number 3. Napakagandang pass nun. Belong-belo si number 3. Steal by number 2. Nakakuha ng foul si number 2. That's gonna be fouled by the ANNUNCIATION Panthers.
Partner, no? Napakaganda ng defense na pinakita ni Aureliano doon sa pag-inbound niya. Naagaw yung inbound. Ano yan? Unfortunately, hindi lang pumasok yung press niya ngayon. Fast break. 3-on-1 fast break ngayon ng Panthers. Pabreak on.
Oh good. Napagandang tipin yun ni number 2. Number 28. Across the court. Pass to number 3. Stepping on the line, violation. That's gonna be a turnover. Ball possession of the Golden Knights. Substitution, number 75 will enter the court. And number 29 of the Panthers will also enter the court. We only have 4 minutes 44 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 49 against 38. Still by number 7. Pass to number 55. Transition play. Medyo napalakas pero si number 26 but rejected by number 19. Number 7. Diretso. Nabitawan yung bola. Agawan. Stepping on the line. Ball possession ng ating Panthers. Number 11 will enter the court. And we have a timeout called by the ANNUNCIATION Panthers with 4 minutes and 21 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 49 against 38. Lamang ng 11 ang ating Panthers. We are still live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right.
We are back live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University for your Bucal Season 4 Sunday opening header tonight versus the Annunciation Panthers. And partner, napakainit ng laban na to.
At yun na, rebounded by number 75, gawa ng bola. At nakuha pa rin number 29 yung seal na yun. Drives! What a reverse layup coming from number 29. So, shoutout sa'yo, Bucal Ocampo and kay Zaya Amaranto. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Number 55. Tatawagin ang foul ang ating referee. That's gonna be from what? Jersey number 11. Inbound play for the Golden Knights. Napakagandang inbound play on and converted with a point. Number 55. Full court man-to-man defense na Golden Knights. Pass to number 19. Number 19 looking for his teammate. Pass to the inside man. Blocked by number 75. Rebounded by number 55. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Layup drive and it's good. Hold up. 3 minutes and 8 seconds left sa ating third quarter. And yeah, Golden Knights got the lead to a single digit. Siyam na lang po ang inahabol ng ating Golden Knights. Number 55 has fouled. Ito yung pang-apat na yun na foul ni number 55. Number 19, pass to number 29. Number 7, long three-pointer, no good. But na those number 22 for the second chance opportunity and for the third chance. Number 29, Fajardo, was fouled. And he will be pushing foul pala yun. Itatawag ng ating referee. Coming out from the rebound. Number 14, Monay. About to bring Bowden to ball. Pass to number 26. Number 26 crosses over. Mix. Bounce pass to number 7. Number 7 drives. Napek pero nakuha pa rin ni Monay. Pass to number 18 for 3 points. No good. Rebounded number 7 for the second chance opportunity. Agawa ng bola. And number 75 converted that offensive rebound into a point. Number 7. Pass to number 19. Number 2. Guarded by number 7 at nakakuha ng foul. Si number 2. Number 7 is fouled.
Ayan partner, slowly but surely humahabol ang ating Golden Knights sa larong ito. 44-51. First shot ni Salvacion is pumasok. 52 na ngayon to 44. 8-point lead na lang if I'm not mistaken partner, tama ba?
Yes, tama. 8-point lead ang inahabol ng ating
2 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter.
No good for the second throw. Napakagandang rebound nun.
Offensive rebound.
Number 19, 3-pointer, no good. At ayun, last touch of the Golden Knights. Ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Shoutout sa'yo, Pets Good. Go, Sorsoganon. Numbers 2. Corner. 2-pointer, no good. Yun. For the second chance opportunity, no good. Numbers on the block by number 75. Number 14, pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Asking for a screen and shot for a 3-pointer. No good. Jump ball. Ball possession of the Panthers. Substitution. Pasok si number 12 ng Golden Knights. Lalabas muna si number 14. Full court press na ang pinapakita ng ating Golden Knights. We only have 1 minute and 5 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 52-44. Number 11. Consuming the time. Number 11 drives. Napakagandang pasa doon sa big man ng ating Panthers. Number 29. At may kasama pang foul.
Shoutout kay Jeremy Blanquera of the FEU Tamaraos by Brent Oksyo. Yan, shoutout po sa inyo.
No good. Sayang ng 3-point play na yun. Pero bibigyan pa ng isang free throw. Number 29.
Papasok ngayon si Bitchara, number 2, and lalabas si number 75. Pero hinold back muna ng ating mga referee. Kasi parang uulitin yung free throw shot ni Fajardo.
Last shot. No good pa rin. Rebounded by number 75. Pass number 26. Number 26 finding his teammate. Kicks out to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 drives. Walang bola. Nice trap para sa ating transition play. Number 7. What a block by number 18. Pero may nakitang foul ang ating referee. That's gonna be from number 75. Substitution. Pasok si number 2 ng Golden Knights.
Shoutout po kay Lovely Jerusalem Labao.
Yun, 10 ang hinahabol ng ating Golden Knights.
Okay lang po yan, Madam Lovely. Shoutout din kay Lauren Espinola. Go Panthers.
Meron na lang tayong 20 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 54-44. Labang po ng 10 ang ating Panthers. No good for the second throw. Rebounded by number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Love pass to number 26. Number 26 drives. No good. 7. Pass, big pass. Number 19. Number 19. Pag-isa sa baba. And it's good for that 2-pointer. Number 12. And no good for that shot. That's gonna be the end of the third quarter. 56-44. Lamang ng 12 ang ating Annunciation Panthers. And we're still live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back with the fourth and last quarter.
And we are back again dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 partner. Fourth quarter na. All of this game comes down to the last and final quarter, which is the fourth quarter. Panthers naghahabol ay Panthers maintaining their lead and Ateneo naghahabol.
Dito na magkakaalaman kung sino ba ang mananaig sa labanang ito. Minutes ng ating laro. Still by number 7. Number 7, diretso. No good, pero rebounded by the Golden Knights. Number 26. Pass to number 7. Corner 3-pointer, pero nahabol. What a rejection by number 2. Nice defense for number 2.
And shout out kay
Number 11.
Big Guerrera. And shout out din kay Miguel Alcantara. Shout out kay George Florida. And shout out kay Marvin Baldo.
One ang bola. The ball possession will remain to the Annunciation Panthers. Mas lalong kaabang-abang ito, Burns. Mahaba.
Oo naman partner, marami pang beses, marami pang time para mag-ball. And ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Number 13, all good. Rebounded by number 11 for the second chance opportunity. Short jumper, wala pa rin. At nakuha na ng ating Golden Knights ang ball possession. Number 26, pass to number 2, Chara. Pass to number 12, number 12 for 3, no good. Rebounded by the Annunciation Panthers. That's gonna a miscommunication done. That's gonna be a turnover on the side of the Panthers. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
Shoutout kay Abel Dinglasa ng Annunciation Panthers.
And to give us an update from the side of the Golden number 4 side reporter. Hello Cass, anong update sa ating bench ng Golden Knights?
Hi Joshua and Russell. During the timeout, Coach Nuki reminded the players of the important aspects that they need to improve and avoid repeating. The players must utilize their power and stability on the hard court for them to succeed in their goal of gaining victory in this match. That's the recent update from the Golden Knights corner. Back to you, Russell and Joshua.
Maraming salamat Cass. Update all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. At ang mga substitution na nangyari sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. For the last 2 minutes, wala pang na-score sa atin. Ngayon, Burns. Grabe yung depensa na pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. Number 15 crosses over. Pass to number 2. Drives. Napitawan yung bola. Pero andun. Si number
out of bounds.
13. Pak sa linya. Stepping ng dalawa. Tinatawag ng ating referee. Number 13 na Panthers.
44-56. 12 ang laman ng Panthers.
Number 26, diretso. Oh, good, pero no, si Pichara for that second chance opportunity and it's good for that 2-pointer. At ayun na nga, nakascore na after 2 minutes. 10 na lang inahabol ng Golden Knights. What a drive by number 16. Ito si Jerome Alvario. 3-pointer, no good. Pero ando si Pichara for to get that offensive rebound. Again, back-to-back 2-pointer. Atid sa inyo ang ating number 2 ng Golden Knights. Nice move by number 16. As number 13. As number 19, Jerome Alvario. May diretso. Ang gandang layup doon. Meron na palakas. Layup na yun. Gawa ng bola. Number 26. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by number 15. At si number 16 ng ating Panthers.
And mukhang partner, no? Sa tingin ko, may problema kay number 16. Yung problema ni number 16 is from his knee, sa tuhod or sa paa, kasi nakikita natin kanina humahawak siya dun sa may left side ng kanyang paa or sa kanyang tuhod.
Shoutout sa ating medics na nakatutok at nakabantay sa atin. I believe this is nursing department Naga University. Maraming salamat sa ating medics.
And a shoutout din kay Franco Chavez. Thank you for watching Bucal Season 4.
Yun, we only have 6 minutes and 27 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter. Again, 10 pa rin ang hinahabol ng ating Golden Knights. Shoutout sa iyo, Aika Peña, ang nanonood sa atin. I will be having a short commercial. Magbabalik po kami dito pa rin. Matuto kayo sa ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium at live na live tayo sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for a short break. And we are back here live at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium for Bucal Season 4. Again, we only have 6 minutes and 27 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, 58-48. Lamang pa rin po ng 10 ang ating ANNUNCIATION. Shoutout sa ating live audience dito sa ATENEO Gymnasium. Punong-puno. Mamaya po sa ating last game sa araw na ito, sa battle between ACC Serpents versus the UNC Greyhounds. At gusto din namin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors: NAGA College Foundation, Banners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, globally competitive, choose Mariners. Congressman Gabby Bordado, Congressman of 3rd District, and Jessimi, Cafe Amigo, Future Leaders Resort, Kamsur Biaki, Flowers and Beyond, On-Style Graphic Design Services, AAT Ads, and Department of Tourism, Region 5. Maraming salamat to our dear sponsors. Back to the ballgame. Ball possession of the Panthers. Steal by number 7. Number 7 uses the glass and good for that 2-pointer. Another steal. Itatawag. Last touch by the Annunciation Panthers. 8 na lang ang inahabol ng ating Golden Knights. 6 minutes and 11 seconds. At ayun, sa replay, papakita dito kung last touch ba. Kaninong last touch? Parang may dalawang nangyayari sa ating corner ng court. Nagawa ng bola at merong nagkapisikalan sa kabilang side. Kitang-kita natin sa ating replay. It's number 28 of the Golden Knights and number 15 ng Panthers.
Tinayin natin, partner. Now, i-check ng ating mga referees kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari dun sa sequence noon between ni Manlalapas and ni Magno. And shoutout din natin ang ating mga kasamahan dito, ang ating stats team, and ang ating mga courtside reporters kanina and sa susunod ng mga laro. And of course, our fellow Bucal student volunteers, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Shoutout din sa ating personnel ng ating Ateneo Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tulong upang mapanatili na maganda ang ating hardcourt. Shoutout po ulit sa mga kaibigan from Legazpi na si Angelo Trajano and si Jay Cañeda and Don Christian Colarino sa inyo all the way from Legazpi.
Of course, pasalamatan din natin ng ating officials headed by Sir Eman Paraon from SBP.
Ayan, partner, no, na nakikita natin yung replay close-up provided ng ating GNN TV48 kung ano yung nangyari kanina between Magno and Manlapas. Medyo nagkakaroon talaga ng physicality. And ayun, as you can see, partner, nakita natin sa replay, medyo talaga naglabas ng elbow si Manlapas nung pagdikitan nila ni Magno. Pero it's up to the officials kung ano nga ba talaga yung verdict nila doon sa replay na yon.
Try natin.
We will be waiting for the decision ng ating mga officials.
Yun, sa ating mga live audience dito, once again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page. And to give us an update from the bench of the Annunciation Panthers, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hello, Janelle. Anong update sa bench ng ating Panthers?
We have one player down again after kay Matos. Ngayon naman ay nagkaroon ng injured ang isa sa mga players ng Panthers. Don't let your opponent read you, ika nga ni Coach Ron. Patuloy na pinapalakas ng Panthers ang kanilang depensa. Makikita din natin na patuloy na nangingibabaw ang Panthers sa larong ito. Ika nga ni Coach Ron na ito na ang huling pagkakataon at pagtutuos nila. Huwag nilang iisipin ngayon ang mataas ng puntos laban sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Hayaan kaya ng Panthers na malamangan sila ng Golden Knights? Yan ang abangan natin dito. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Janela, sa iyong up soon sa ating injured player from the Panthers. And sa mga nagtatanong, mga kaibigan, sa ating live audience, ay sa ating Facebook page, kung nasaan si Mark Cluster Matos, kanina po mga kaibigan, si Mark Cluster Matos received 2 technical fouls excluding him from this ball game. So sa mga nagtatanong kung asaan yan si Matos, he is already outside of our gymnasium po because he was excluded from the game kanina.
Ayun. Ayun, ball possession at wala naman nakita ang ating referee. Number 19, 3-pointer, no good. Pero doon. Once again, rebounded by number 19. Pass to number 7 for corner 3-pointer, no good. Pero doon. Set the third chance opportunity. At number 13 of the Panthers secured that rebound. Number 15 malapas. Sa number 11. Number 11. Step back 3, nice one, Pinks. Pero that's gonna be a traveling violation committed by number 8 of the Panthers. Number 2 will enter the court. We only have 5 minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating 4th quarter. 8 ang hinahabol ng ating Golden Knights. Number 55. Drives. Oh good, pero doon si Bichara to get that rebound. Napaka-efficient si Bichara securing that offensive rebound. At ito, number 15, malapas, pass over, kicks out to number 11, pass to number 15, corner shot, wala, rebounded to number 55, number 19, Jerome Almario, that's a 2-pointer from Jerome Almario. At napatawag na timeout ang kupunan ng Annunciation Panthers. So wala 4 minutes and 43 seconds lang sa ating 4th quarter. 58 to 54. Apat ang hinahabol ng ating Golden Knights. We are still live here at ATENEO NAGA Universal Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
And we are back again live dito sa Ateneo de Naga University, kung saan we are at our fourth and final quarter between a matchup against Ateneo Golden Knights and the Annunciation Panthers. Partner, 4 minutes 43 seconds remaining, apat ang lamang ng ating Panthers. Maghahabol pa ng ating Ateneo.
Ayun, natapansin ko rin, wala pang foul committed ngayong fourth quarter. 0 pa ang ating team fouls.
Staying safe ang ating both teams dito sa fourth.
Number 2, reverse layup, no good, block by number 2. Pass break pass, number 55, fakes. No good, pero still managed for the second chance opportunity. Napakagandang patience doon, pero andun si Bichara to secure that rebound. Napakagandang pass doon, number 7, it's good. What a footwork. And nice pass.
Carter, hype na ang ating Ateneo bleachers. Grabe na ang excitement nila ngayon.
Grabe yun. Number 19, heavily guarded by number 19. Drives. Pero nakakuha ng foul si number 2 ng Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 58 seconds left. Dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng Golden Knights. Dalawang free throw ang ibibigay kay number 2. First throw. No good for his first throw. Jumpers ready for the second throw. Grabe ang cheer ang ating supporters ng Golden Knights. Nice shot for the second throw. Tatlo ang inahabol ng Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 52 seconds left. Love pass to number 7, pero doon si number 13 to stop that pass and convert it into a steal. Turnover para sa Golden Knights. Number 19. Parehas, 19 to 19 ang nagbabantayan dito. Number 11. Steal by number 55. Aureliano, number 55. Diretso, kicks out to number 19, Jerome Alvario. Number 19. Pass to number 55. Number 55. Corner pass to number 7. 3-pointer. No good. Pero nakuha ng number 26. Nabigan ng bola. Nakuha ng ating Panthers ang bola. At ayun, what a steal by Jerome Alvario. At yun, nabitawan ng bola. Turnover, bola ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Sa replay, napakagandang crossover sana nun. Sa nadulas, si number 19 ng Golden Knights. We have a timeout called by the Ateneo Golden Knights with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, 59 to 56. The Panthers leading by 3 sa ating labanan nyo. We are still live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon, we will be right back.
We're back again live dito sa ATENEO University Gymnasium for your Bucal season for 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Tatlo lang ang inahabol na puntos ng ATENEO. One possession ball game para sa ATENEO.
And from the timeout, let's call in our coach and reporter all the way from the bench of the Golden Knights. Hello, Cass. Anong update during the timeout?
The Panthers is continuously giving a tough game against the Golden Knights. That's why the players are encouraging their teammates to not be distracted by the score, to keep their heads up and to focus on the game. They have to put their mind on the game up until the remaining minutes. Coach Nuki reminded the players to stay calm but also alert. That's the latest update from the side of the Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, guys. At ayun nga, Burns, sabi na head coach, focus on the game. At halatang-halata ngayon, they got the lead into 1. At ayun, transition play, transition pass. No good, isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Golden Knights. 59 to 58. Number 7 is on the line to make his free throws.
And ito, partner, itong free throws na to will give them the tie and may chance pa na maka-lead sila ngayong quarter since I think it's the first quarter nung lumamang ang ATENEO, yung pinakahuli nilang time na lumamang sila sa ball game na ito.
During the first quarter. 2 minutes and 3 seconds sa ating game clock. Number 7 for his first throw. No good for his first throw. Yung kataas ng kamay ng ating mga supporters dito ng Golden Knights. Pero grabe ang cheer na side ng ating Panthers. At yun na nga, we have a tied ball game here. 59 all. Grabe na itong pressure na pinaparamdam ng Golden Knights sa nasa Panthers. Last 2 minutes sa ating game time. Number 19 of the at ayun, foul si number 19 and that's his 5th foul. Fouled out na ang ating number 19 ng Golden Knights.
Jerome Almario is out of the game, yung isa sa mga ini-expect natin na magbibigay sa atin ng magandang laro. Sad to say na pareho kay Matos, they are both excluded sa ating ball game nito. Kapasok ngayon si Magno to replace Jerome Almario for the point guard spot.
1 minute and 47 seconds left sa ating game clock.
Grabe, partner, napaka-intense talaga na ito.
Walang kukurap. Mayroon tatawagan ng traveling violation. Ating referee yun. At tatawag contest replay ang ating head coach, Coach Ron, side ng Panthers. Sayang nun, kumagat, friends, kumagat yung dalawa.
Yun nga, kaso kumagat din yung pito ni ref.
Kumagat din yung pito na yun.
Yes.
Tinawag na.
And ngayon, ang mangyayari, i-review ng ating mga officials kung traveling violation nga ba talaga yung ginawa ni Manlapas.
Ayun. At ayun, mas dumami na ang ating live audience.
Yes.
I mean, our Facebook audience dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagbubok. Shoutout sa'yo. Coach Gab De Vera.
Shoutout din sa ating 795 viewers sa ating Facebook page.
800 na, partner.
Saan Facebook page ka pa, partner?
Sa Bucal ata to.
Ako, partner, sa Bucal din.
Marami na ang ating... Once again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page para mas maraming makapanood ng ating laban ngayon.
Ganda yan, partner, no? Pinag-uusapan pa rin ng ating mga officials. Matangga. Ganda yan.
Ayun na nga. Ano na final verdict ng ating officials. Traveling violation. Number 55. Number 55. Runs, but what a trap para sa ating Panthers. Number 2. Runs. Tatawagan ng foul. Si number 26 at may kasama pang foul. Two-pointed ang ating Panthers.
And a chance to make it a 3-point play.
Yes, pag napasok itong 3-point play na ito.
And ayun, partner, mukhang si number 26 has suffered an injury.
Parang muscle cramps ata yun.
Yes, partner. Salvacion will make one free throw. And lalabas si 26, papasok naman ngayon si number 12 ng ating Golden Knights.
Number 2. Oh, good. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang rebound. Pero nakuha rin ang Golden Knights. Number 55, Aureliano. Setting a play sa ating Golden Knights. Aureliano crosses over. Pass to number 28, Magno. Pass to number 2. Number 2, short jumper. It's good! Number 2, Bichara. 61 all. You only have 1 minute sa ating game clock. Tatawagan ang foul doon. Number 2.
2 shots para kay Ariscon. And ayan yung instant replay, partner.
Napaka-efficient ngayon ng big man ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yes. Si Al Bichara. And shout out sa aking friend na si Angelo Ostero. And first shot that is gone is no good.
Second free throw, jumpers ready. Shout out sa Leland Oliver San Juan.
Yan, shout out din ulit kay Angelo Ostero. Kay Angelo Trajano.
So good pa rin. Running with number 38, pass to number 12. Number 12. And it's good for that layup drive. And we have a timeout goal by the Annunciation Panthers with 47 seconds left.
Partner, Ateneo has the lead. Fourth quarter. First quarter lang sila yung unang lumamang. And from the second on to the fourth, early fourth, lamang ang ating Panthers. And ngayon, na-clinch na nila ang kanilang 2-point lead against the Panthers.
63.
Sabi ko sa kayo pag hindi nyo kaya!
Ang mangyayari dito is mananalo ang Ateneo against the Annunciation Panthers. 4-0 sila and ang Panthers is I think 2-all.
2-all.
And partner, ito ang medyo magiging masyadong masaklap sa ating Panthers because natalo kahapon ang Panthers against the Mariners. Nung sila yung lumalamang nung quarters. And then pagdating sa late fourth quarter, nag-clutch si Manrique. Ngayon, ang nag-clutch naman para sa kanila sa Ateneo is si number 12. And makikita natin kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari
Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. So, kapasok ito, babasahin natin, 21st shot clock. Posibleng last ball possession sa Ateneo Golden Knights. But the Panthers, they only have 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Dito natin dito ang depensa na ipapakita ng Golden Knights at ang opensa na ipapakita ng Panthers. Number 15, heavily guarded by number 14. Gawa ng bola. Ball possession, kanino ibibigay ng ating referee? At yun, hihingi ng replay, review. Yan, ang head coach ng ating Golden Knights. Makapigil, hininga. Makapigil, hininga.
Ayan yung instant replay na rinireview ngayon ng ating mga referee.
Tingnan natin. Hanggang sa uli. Sa referee rin ang final decision.
Yes, partner, no? Tayo ay mga commentator lang.
Shoutout sa'yo, Ace Cornejo.
Nagko-comment lang tayo, partner. Pero hindi tayo yung magbibigay ng verdict pagdating sa mga calls dito sa loob ng ating hard court.
Sabi ni Lovely Labaw, basta go, baba. Napaka-supportive. Ito na, Pep. Road to 900 na ang ating viewers, online viewers.
Don't forget to keep on sharing, mga kaibigan. Nang makaabot tayo ng 1K viewers.
Ayun na nga. May final decision na ang ating officials and same ball possession ang ibibigay sa ating Panthers. 34 seconds left. Game clock, mga kaibigan. Walang kukurap. Pass number 7, long 3-pointer. That's an air ball. Merong substitution. Number 12 will enter the court. Makakapuntos pa kaya ang ating Golden Knights o mapipigilan ng ating Panthers? Number 55 crosses over, kicks out to number 28, floater shot, no good. Magawa ng bola, nakuha ni number 2, finding his teammate. Pass to number 13, back to number 2. Only have 10 seconds to play. Heavily guarded by number 12. No good. That's gonna be a turnover. 2 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras. As number 7, fouled by number 2. Pero 14 fouls pa lang, so wala pang penalty na mangyayari. Oh, sideline inbound. Sideline inbound. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Consuming the time. At ito na nga. The comeback is real. 63 to 61. Ateneo Golden Knights will bring home the bacon and finally continue their winning streak 4-0, mga kaibigan. Pero napakagandang laro ang ibinigay sa atin ng Annunciation PANTHERS. Isang malaking palakpak pa rin para sa ating Panthers. Maraming salamat sa pagbigay sa amin ng napakagandang laro.
Yes, partner. And syempre, ngayon, Ateneo remains unbeaten sa kanilang bracket 4-0. Samantalang ang second sa kanilang bracket, which is the Annunciation, gets 2 wins and 2 losses sa kanila. And syempre, partner, alam naman natin na itong game na to is dedicated kay Irish. Ayonga. And ayan, ang ating Atenistas with their hymn. Sumama tayo, partner. Atenista tayo.
Ayun yun, magbabalik, wag po kayong alis, at sa aming pagbabalik, papakilala namin ang best player of the game ng Golden Knights. We are still live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium, and you're still watching on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
And we are back live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University, kung saan kasama ko si Sir John Russell Senyora. And Sir, grabe, napakaganda ng ating game today, and congratulations sa Ateneo de NAGA University. Pero syempre ngayon, we will introduce na ang ating player of the game. Our player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Ngayon tawagin ko si Cassandra kasi kasama niya na ang ating best player of the game. Hi Cassandra! And kumusta dyan ang ating player of the game?
Kitang-kita naman natin na the Golden Knights is showing the magic spirit with this. With me is the best player of the game, Bichara, jersey 2 with 12 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Congratulations! Ayan, as a student athlete, what are the routines that you think help you in becoming the best player of the game?
There is no secret in being student athlete. It's just about discipline, time management, and the determination of you as if you really want to be a student athlete.
Ayan, can you share with us your personal goal whenever you enter the hard court?
Every time I enter the hard court, I would always remember the scouting report, the small details that Coach Nuki has prepared for us before the game, and all the trainings I did so that I would remember that I can do this. It would build up my confidence in the hard court.
Ayan, congratulations! We are currently live. May gusto ka bang i-greet o pasalamatan?
Shout out po kay Herson Warlen, tas kay Dara Sofia Cartuano. Thank you po.
Ayan, thank you very much, and once again, congratulations! This is me once again, Cassandra A. Seton, the courtside reporter of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So back to the panel.